Hello, travelers! Welcome back to WordWork. Today we're learning 20 useful English words for travel and tourism. Perfect for airports, hotels, restaurants, and sightseeing. Let's get started. Airport and transportation. Boarding pass. The ticket you need to get on the plane. Example: I showed my boarding pass at the gate. Gate. The place where you enter the airplane. Example: our flight leaves from gate 12. Departure. When a plane or train leaves. Example: the departure time is 3 p.m. Arrival. When a plane or train comes in. Example: our arrival time is 6 p.m. Luggage. Bags and suitcases you travel with. Example: my luggage is very heavy. Check-in. Register your arrival at the airport or hotel. Example: I checked in 2 hours before my flight. Delay. When something happens later than expected. Example: the flight has a 30-minute delay. Hotels and accommodation. Reservation. Booking a room or service in advance. Example: I made a reservation for 2 nights. Reception. The front desk area of a hotel. Example: you can ask for help at reception. Single room. Room for one person. Example: I booked a single room. Double room. Room for 2 people. Example: we stayed in a double room with a beautiful view. Amenities. Extra services or features. Example: the hotel amenities include a pool and gym. Checkout. Leaving a hotel and paying the bill. Example: checkout is at 11 a.m. Dining and restaurants. Menu. List of food and drinks. Example: the menu has vegetarian options. Reservation. Booking a table. Example: we made a dinner reservation for 7 p.m. Bill or check. The paper that shows what you need to pay. Example: can we have the bill, please? Sightseeing and tourism. Landmark. A famous place or building. Example: the Eiffel Tower is a famous landmark. Tourist attraction. A place many visitors go. Example: this museum is the top tourist attraction. Guided tour. A tour led by a guide. Example: we took a guided tour of the old city. Souvenir. Something you buy to remember a trip. Example: I bought a souvenir for my family. Great job! You just learned 20 key travel words that will help you anywhere in the world. Which word was new for you? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like and follow WordWork. And safe travels!